Miss Daisy don't like the rain. She don't like getting her feet wet. Pampered little thing. Come on, this way. Don't you go down into that road. Come on. I was supposed to went to Kings Mountain today. Unfortunately, it's raining. I'm not gonna film in the rain. So we'll have to put that off till later this week. I ain't got nothing else planned. Planning on going to Kings Mountain, filming that battlefield, and then Daisy and I, we're gonna find us a lake and do us some fishing. Ain't that right, Miss Daisy? You ain't paying me no attention? Of course not, Papa. I'm outside. See that look? See, my dog speaks English. She knows what outdoors, outside, anything with the word out in it, she knows it. Well, she's gonna do her business. I heard military aircraft flying up overhead yesterday. And the thing about that is, we're not anywhere near a military base. Shaw Air Force Base is about 4 hours away that way towards Myrtle Beach. Fort Bragg is about 6 hours in that direction. Fort Gordon is about 6 hours that way. And we're not anywhere near a training base or a flight path for military aircraft, so I don't know what F-22 Raptors were doing circles around here yesterday. Got no idea. A lot of been unusual stuff. I seen a Navy DC-9 flew over low at about 3,000 feet a couple of times. It's unusual. About the only time we get military aircraft anywhere near us is when they when a hurricane is coming and they move the planes from Charleston Naval Air Base or the Joint Base down there. I think it's a Air Force and a Navy base together, airfield. And Beaufort Naval or Beaufort Marine Corps Air Station, they move them C-130s and stuff up here when the hurricanes come in. That's very rare. Usually they fly them out west towards San Antonio. A lot of strange things going on in the world. If you're not aware, if you got your phone in your face too much, you'll miss something. It's bad enough if there's a car accident on the highway, one person will stop and help and 100 others will stop to film it. That's pretty bad. Anyways, y'all have a good day.